This is a submarine Proteus that was featured in a film called Fantastic Voyage back in 1966. This is a plastic kit that I had purchased, and it's 1/32 scale, about 16 inches long. I did some improvements on it by enhancing with some lights, LEDs throughout the boat. As you can see, the blinking lights there, and interior lighting in the background. And as well, these characters I actually resculpted using a plastic kit of, well, a British armored car crew. And, required some grinding and just putty and stuff. And I'm pretty happy with the results. They actually represent the characters of the film pretty close, I think. The CMDF stands for Combined Miniaturized Deterrent Forces in the film. That was a corporation, I guess, that would miniaturize for military purposes. In this case, they miniaturized the sub down to microscopic size to inject it into a human body to help the scientist that had a blood clot. So it was a fun film. So this is just a static model. One could actually RC this if one wanted to, because of the size and the length of the beam itself. It's got plenty of room for RC components. So what I'll do, I'll just take the lid off to show you. So here's a shot of the interior with the LEDs firing into fiber optics here for those lighting effects that you see there. So this whole module actually pops out, and one could actually, like I said before, put a RC components in there with a pump jet on each of these quart nozzles, and it'd be quite effective using isometrical thrust to turn it. And this is just another shot here, a close-up of the characters. And one more thing I should mention, this boat was actually designed by Harper Golf. He was the same designer who designed the Disney Nautilus from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. So, of course, some of you might know that I'm building a scratch-built Nautilus. So this is a good counterpart. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.